You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Russian word correctly, therefore how it is pronounced in Russian. Yes, of course, you know the English pronunciation is as gulag, and it's actually very similar in Russian. Russians would say it as gulag, gulag. Some would pronounce it also a bit as gulag, gulag. Alright, but generally gulag. So it's very similar, gulag, gulag. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.